Today, we want to look at kinetic energy and potential energy. When we say kinetic energy is the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its motion. Kinetic energy is the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its motion. While potential energy is the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its position. Now, kinetic energy. The formula for kinetic energy is 1 over 2 mv square. M stands for mass of the body. V stands for velocity of the body. Potential energy. The formula for potential energy is m times g times h. M stands for mass, g stands for acceleration due to gravity, and h stands for height of the body. So that is mass times acceleration due to gravity times height of the body. Now let's look at an example. An object of mass 20 kg is released from a height of 10 meters above the ground level. What is the kinetic energy of the body of the object just before hitting the ground? We know that any form of energy can neither be created nor destroyed, but forms of energies can be transformed from one form to another. Now, when a body is above the ground, when a body is at a level above the ground, it possesses potential energy. But as it begins to fall, the potential energy will be transformed to kinetic energy. So meaning that when this body is at 10 meters above the ground, it possesses potential energy. But as it begins to fall, the potential energy will be converted to kinetic energy. So meaning all the potential energy it possesses above the ground will be converted to kinetic energy just before hitting the ground. So therefore, to calculate the kinetic energy of the body just before hitting the ground, we can equally find the potential energy, and that will give us the kinetic energy. So let's go. So the formula for kinetic energy, the formula for potential energy, P E is equals to mass times G times H, and that is 20 times 10 times 10, and that is 2000 joules, and that will also be our kinetic energy. Thank you.